Nature is full of surprises. Just when you think you've seen it all, another bizarre creature appears. Previously, we brought you 10 animals that shouldn't exist, and you guys loved it. So here are 10 more animals that shouldn't exist, but do. Number 10, the vampire deer. Also called the musk deer, it looks like a normal deer from the neck up, but if you saw its teeth, you wouldn't think it's so cute. Instead of antlers, male musk deer grow long, pointed saber-like teeth that look straight out of a horror movie. They use these fangs to fight other deer for dominance during mating season, but they can also use them to scrape bark off trees in search of twigs and leaves. That's pretty handy. Number 9, the glass frog. If you lived in Central or South America, you might accidentally step on one of these frogs while hiking. Don't worry though, you probably won't even notice. The glass frog's belly is completely see-through, allowing it to blend in perfectly with leaves and tree bark. But the coolest part is you can see inside its body. Literally, its see-through underbelly allows you to look into its tiny chest cavity and see its beating heart and other organs. Very strange. No. 8, the blobfish. Just the heads up, this next animal may be ugly, but it's very important to the ecosystem. So don't be mean in the comments. Living 2,000 meters underwater off the coast of Australia, the blobfish is often called the world's ugliest animal. And there's a picture of it on the internet. Jellyfish are normally pretty colorful, but not this one. Its loose, floppy body looks more like a blob of snot than an actual animal. In 2013, it was voted the world's ugliest animal in an online poll. But keep in mind, this fish has evolved to survive in extreme conditions. Its big, sad eyes are actually an adaptation to help it cope with extreme water pressure deep down in the ocean depths. When brought to the surface, their jelly-like bodies collapse, giving them that weird, droopy face. So remember, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Number 7, the Dumbo octopus. This octopus gets its name from its large ear-like fins, which it uses to fly through the water. It was named by the person who discovered it in 1901 because it reminded him of the Disney cartoon character Dumbo. These adorable creatures live thousands of meters deep in the ocean where almost no light reaches. Instead of being brown or black, Dumbo octopus are usually bright red. This helps them hide from predators, but some have even stranger colors like purple, green, or orange. Number 6, the gerenuk. This rare wild animal looks like a mix between a giraffe and a gazelle. Also called the giraffe gazelle, it has an extremely long neck and can stand on 2 legs to reach tree branches. They're pretty good at leaping over obstacles too. Despite having such a long neck, they can jump over fences that are 5 feet high. No. 5, the red-lipped batfish. This strange fish has bright red lips. They look like it's wearing lipstick, but the red-lipped batfish can't swim very well. It awkwardly walks on the ocean floor using its fins like legs. It also has huge bulging eyes that stick out of its head. Scientists believe this is because it spends a lot of time looking for food near the bottom. Number 4, the naked mole rat. These weird little rodents are known for living in underground colonies. Each colony has one queen that has all the babies. The naked mole rat is a very strange animal because it almost never gets cancer. It also has very little hair, which makes it look kind of creepy. Some people say they look like an alien, while others say they look like a hairless cat. They share many similarities with mice, but they're actually more closely related to the hamster. Number 3, the Goliath tigerfish. This huge freshwater fish has razor-sharp teeth that look like they'd belong in a shark's mouth. But the Goliath tigerfish is actually a lot nicer than the shark. It doesn't attack humans unless provoked. Instead, it sits in wait and strikes its prey with lightning speed. As soon as its teeth touch flesh, they inject a powerful poison that paralyzes the victim. It's considered one of the most terrifying freshwater fish alive, but it plays an important role in the ecosystem. Number 2, the shoebill stork. Standing up to 5 feet tall, this stork has a massive shoe-shaped beak. That's why it's called the shoebill stork. These birds can be found throughout Africa. They mostly eat fish, but they will also eat smaller birds and reptiles. They even hunt crocodiles. Number 1, the leafy sea dragon. It looks like a mix between a seahorse and a leaf. It's covered in leaf-like fins that make it look like it's floating seaweed. It can change color to help hide from predators. The leafy sea dragon is a type of fish. More specifically, it's a type of seahorse. It's related to the pot-bellied seahorse and the dwarf seahorse. It's also a type of pipefish. It's related to the long-nosed pipefish and the great new pipefish. They're found in the coastal waters of southern Australia and Tasmania. Once again, nature proves reality is stranger than fiction. Which of these animals shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable facts. See you next time. Bye.